Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use extended thinking mode on Claude Sonnet. Some Claude Sonnet models support an extended thinking capability that allows the model to spend more computation on complex reasoning tasks before producing its final answer. This can be especially useful for difficult programming problems, technical analysis, or multi-step reasoning where a quick response isn't the highest priority. When using this capability through the API, it's important to configure your application correctly and handle the response according to the SDK and API documentation. In this guide, you'll install the latest SDK, create a test application, and learn how to correctly process the response returned by the API. The first step is to open your terminal. Before building your application, install the most recent version of the official Anthropic client package. Run the provided installation command and wait for the SDK to finish installing. Using the latest version helps ensure your application has access to the newest API features, improvements, and bug fixes. Once the installation completes successfully, you're ready to build your test application. Return to your terminal. Run the provided script that creates a new application file named claude-thinking.js. This script serves as your starter application for experimenting with Claude Sonnet's extended thinking capabilities. Depending on your implementation, the application may initialize the Anthropic client, configure authentication, select the appropriate Claude Sonnet model, build the API request, submit a prompt, receive the model's response. Keeping this logic in a dedicated application file makes it easier to experiment with different prompts and configurations while keeping your project organized. After creating the application, run the provided script that processes the model response programmatically. This step ensures your application correctly reads and extracts the response content returned by the API so it can be displayed or used elsewhere in your workflow. If your application doesn't process the response correctly, you may mistakenly think the model returned incomplete output when the issue actually lies in your application's parsing logic. After updating the response handling, save your project and execute your application. Test it with a variety of prompts that require different levels of reasoning, such as complex programming questions, multi-step planning, technical explanations, logical analysis, architecture discussions. Compare the responses with simpler prompts to understand when extended reasoning provides the greatest benefit. It is important to understand that spending more computation on reasoning doesn't automatically guarantee a better answer for every task. For straightforward requests, the additional reasoning time may provide little or no practical benefit. Extended thinking is generally most useful for complex problems where careful analysis is more important than obtaining the fastest possible response. To summarize, using Claude Sonnet's extended thinking capability begins by opening your terminal and installing the latest version of the official Anthropic client package. Next, run the provided script that creates your application file, claude-thinking.js, where you'll configure and send requests to Claude. Finally, run the provided response processing script so your application correctly reads and extracts the content returned by the API before presenting it to the user. Extended thinking is most valuable for difficult programming, technical analysis, and other multi-step reasoning tasks where deeper analysis outweighs the need for the fastest possible response. By keeping your SDK up to date, organizing your application clearly, and ensuring your response processing logic is implemented correctly, you'll be able to make the most of Claude Sonnet's advanced reasoning capabilities while maintaining a reliable and production-ready application. And that's how to use extended thinking mode with Claude Sonnet. By installing the latest SDK, creating a dedicated application script, and correctly processing the API response, you can experiment with extended reasoning on complex tasks and determine when it provides the greatest benefit for your application. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.